Hey, what's up? It's Catherine with Sow and Serenity, and in this video I am going to be planting out a few things on the property as well as completing a few of the raised beds, okay? In this second row. As you can see, this one has been completed, so I'm going to be planting out some more organic Cannabac potatoes from Johnny's selected seeds. So this is another 5 pounds of potatoes, quite like the other one I planted before. So let's go ahead and plant these out. This is Sowing Serenity, and I'm Kathy On. We'll discover how to cultivate a serene life through the joys of gardening, and by actually learning how to grow your own food, preserving delicious harvests, and exploring the therapeutic benefits of medicinal plants and essential oils. So if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to my channel as well. And if you've been hanging out with me before, then welcome back. In this bed, close to where we just planted a Cannabac potato, which is right across from the corn bed, I'm gonna be planting some tomatoes here, okay? So the potatoes I'm gonna be planting is Sweet 100 and Redorta, okay? So of course the Sweet 100 is a cherry tomato and the Redorta is not. The Redorta is a paste tomato. So I have these 3 Redortas. And these cherry tomatoes. I almost lost them, so I just had to pop things back in here and see how it does. So I'm gonna be planting those right here at the very edge. So I'm gonna start with the Redorta. I believe I'm gonna put it over on this end. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 square foot is going to be Redorta. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm planting these tomatoes a little bit deeper. This is the last Redorta. There. Okay. Now we're gonna plant these Sweet 100s. Okay, here's the label for the Sweet 100. Okay. Okay, this is the other sweet 100s. Do that one apart. Okay. Okay. And the last one. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sweet 100 and 1, 2, 3 Rodorta, which is the paste tomato. Now I do have tons of peppers, so I'm going to be planting these Bounty sweet peppers. I do love these peppers. They're very sweet and they're big. So let's go ahead and plant these out. All right, so I planted these right along, basically in front of the tomato, the large leaf basils. Okay. So these little ones right here, that's along that path. Those are all large leaf basils. Okay. So now let's move on over to the other bed. And in this bed, I am going to be planting out those bounty peppers. They are sweet peppers. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so in this bed, this is all filled with Kennebec potatoes in this raised bed. And the second bed I have right here is sweet 100 tomatoes. I have, I believe, 4 of them here. And then I have 3 Rodorta tomatoes. Now I also have some large leaf basil as well, going along right in front and the edges. And I also have some borage right there, borage right there, and right there as well. So far all I have is tomato, borage, and large leaf basil in that bed over there. In this bed, I have the Bounty sweet peppers. So almost half of this bed is Bounty sweet peppers. I do need to fill it with something more over here. Same thing with the tomato, the Rodorta and sweet 100 tomato. I do need to fill it with other things as well. Okay, now talking about filling beds up, Of course, this bed is filled with potatoes. It does have a lot of weeds in it, but I'm okay with that because that's really all potato right there. This bed is all peppers. It is a variety of peppers, like pepperoni peppers, jalapeno peppers, grande jalapeno, Jimmy Nardellos, and some other peppers in here. Here we have squashes. So I have tromboncino squash. This is Seminole pumpkin right here, these four. And then I have candy roaster. And this one over here is the Musky de Provence, which is the, I forgot what it's called, but that's what that is. Oh, I think it's Calabrese. Also known as Calabrese. In this bed, I have tomatoes. I have San Marzano tomatoes at the very back. And then I have cayenne peppers along here and there as well. So this bed is filled with some borage as well. As you can see, I labeled it borage. And it also have okra. So this bread is pretty much filled. I just need to add some more flowers in it. And then we have these few beds to finish filled. We only fill the first 3 over there. I do have some zinnia in this container right here that I just threw amongst the pepper bed, so it can be watered whenever that gets watered. And in this cabbage bed and beets bed, I also have some marigold growing in there. This is the large leaf basil. This is just once was charred, as well as some nasturtium in that container. I threw that in as well. I have borage here. It doesn't look so good, but I'm leaving it. And this is the Black Beauty tomato. That is a sauce tomato. And then in these 2 containers right here next to the corn, I have Alyssum, which is carpet of snow Alyssum. All right, so that is it so far. Okay, so I just planted some berries. Right here I planted the pink lemonade blueberry. Next to that is the top hat blueberry. And then I also planted the Northland blueberry. And over here I planted the Patriot blueberry. And then I planted a goji berry right here. Let's see if it says anything besides goji berry. That's what it says, goji berry. Okay, so that was the goji berry. And then over here I planted the red currant, which is Red Lake. So the Red Lake red currant I planted. So these blueberries. So I also planted some raspberries and blackberries. So I planted this fall gold raspberry right next to this. I'm not sure if this is completely dead onto the ground, but I planted it right next to it instead of tearing it out. So that was the fall gold raspberry. Over here, as you can see, I planted 2 raspberries right in between this one on the trellis. And the first raspberry is the Heritage raspberry that is right there. And then I planted this one, which is the Glencoe raspberry. Okay, so I'm leaving all the containers there until I can actually make a label for them. Now over here, next to this blackberry that currently has some berries on them, however it's still green and a lot of flowers as well, I planted this blackberry, which is the Chester blackberry. Okay, so I planted that one right next to this current big raspberry. Now over here I had passion fruit growing, and I believe it died. I believe it's dead. So I'm going to replace it with another passion fruit for this trellis. Okay, so this is the beehive that my husband is setting up. He's putting on his bee gear. He's setting it up with a friend. She's gonna show us how to do it. And I am staying really far back. Yeah, but
Mommy, is that a beekeeper?
we are about to be a beekeeper.
Yeah.
We're setting up our beehive. Okay.
That's the queen.
Oh.
They won't hurt you.
So who got your trap?
Okay.
Okay, we see the queen.
So who put her in that trap?
Okay, honey.
She put him in the queen. It's like a car seat.
She's in a safe cage so she won't get hurt on the way.
Go ahead, pick it.
I want to pick.
Hold on. No, 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 no. Be gentle. Look here.
I want to pick.
Hold on. Yes, good job. See, you have to like come here and you have to use your fingertip to like squeeze in it and break it off. Okay?
So all of these?
Only the ones that is plump. That's still skinny. Hold on. Let me see, Kyla. Yeah, that's pretty big. Go ahead, Kyla. Take it off. Give it to Kyla. No, not that. Let's try this one, Kyson. Kyla, Karis, just look. There's a whole lot.
Where?
Just look around.
Oh, that looks like a big one.
Nope. Here, Karis. Let Karis do this one now.
Ooh, this is a big one.
Yes.
No, I think two.
Very good, Kyla. Look, here's another one right here. This is really big. Kyla, don't pull. You have to use your other hand to take it off. Good.
Big.
Let me see it. Let me see it. It's a little tiny. We could wait next week. Nope, nope, that's not ready. This is ready. This one right here.
Oh, but look.
No, that's too small. That's too small. Okay. Can I see? Come and. Nope. Okay, let's see that one.
Why is that big?
Let me feel it. Okay, yes, that's good, Kyson. Let Kyson do it, please. Okay, come over here and show me all the beans you got. The peas you got. Come. Count how many you have.
1, 2, 3.
Continue. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep counting. 7, 8, 9. Good job. Can you go put it on the chair that fell over? So this is the raised bed that had the Redorta tomatoes over there and the sweet 100 over here. I see 2 sweet 100s and maybe 1, 2 Redortas tomatoes. The basils are looking good. The borage, only 1 leaf survived, it looks like. Nothing else is in the bed so far. Okay, as for my bounty peppers, I only see 2 survive, so I'm gonna have to resow some more another time I come. But I do see a borage over there. That one is looking good. Actually, both of them are looking pretty good. Okay, so let me take a look at this bed. This is my cabbage and beets bed where my peas were. Okay. And they're looking pretty good. Even the marigolds are coming up nicely. Here it looks like that needs some water. Yeah, those haven't come up. All right. Beets are looking good. Look at that. There's even a little beet head right there. Oh, a little beetroots right there. Okay. This is the onion bed. Okay. Wow, look at that onion. It's bulked up pretty nicely already. Pretty nice bulb already. Okay, let's cover that back. And then this is my potato bed. Let's see, the caribous have come up. And then this is the all blue. One came up, which is right there. Actually 2. And then the soft palmera, which is right here. None has come up yet. And the Kennebec, yeah, a lot has come up. Put in that one and those. So it's just soft palmera that doesn't seem to have sprouted out of the ground yet. This is my pepper bed. My pepper bed is looking really nice. This is my squash bed. It's covered in weeds, but the squashes are growing pretty nicely. It's looking good. Especially this one that is so big. Okay, over here is my tomatoes. Oh, these tomatoes look pretty big. I am really happy about that. They have grown a lot. This is my San Marzano tomatoes. And the basils are there too, Genovese basils. And then my okra is doing good. The peppers, cayenne pepper in the front is doing good. It looks like I only have like maybe, 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes over here. And 1 over here. Okay. This bed is good with a lot of weeds though, so I do need to weed that. Now gently take it apart, go over there, and put it in the hole.
I can go wherever.
Yes. Leave the soil on it, yep. Push it in. Push it in, close it. Good job. Push it in deeper, Good, put more soil on top of it. A lot more soil, cover it up more. Very good, okay. Go ahead and get another one.
Are these babies?
Yep, push it in.
Yes, they're babies.
Push it in. Cover it up with
Careful
soil.
not to touch the stem. There you go.
Yep. Doing good, pumpkin. Cover it up more. Good. Okay, go get another one. Yep. Push it in more. Good. Okay. Over this way, darling. Okay.
Are you videoing?
I am. You're my helper today. You're doing it for me because I can't. You missed one. Yeah. I can't do it, so she's doing it for me. You're doing good. Push it deeper. Good.
Very good, Paris.
Where's the other one? Huh? Honey, can you open that? Wait, no, we're missing one, Karis. Oh, okay, there we go. Get it. Yep, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Yep, put it in that hole.
Yes, ma'am. See her deep hole here. No one can see them. I'm happy to be your helper today, Mom.
Okay.
One more.
And this is the Black Beauty tomato. This is the Black Beauty,
Another hole.
which is a sliced tomato. No, not there. Come over here. Come right here. Next to this one.
What?
Get that. And dig a hole right next to it. Nope. Right here. Right here. Uh-huh. Move it back and forth. Okay, not so wide. Okay. Hold on. Okay, move over a little. Okay. Go ahead, put it in it.
What are those?
Put it in it. Just fertilizer. Okay, push it deep in it. Try not to break it.
It was better.
Cover it up more.
It was like that.
I know, cover it up more. It's okay, just put more soil on it. Don't go deeper. Put more soil on it. Okay, have it stand up, have it stand up. Yeah, push soil underneath it to keep it up. Got it? Okay, look at this one. This one right here, I need you to stand it up. Put soil there to help it stand up more. Put more soil there. On the other side, yeah. Put more soil on that side. Soil, push it up against it, push it up against it. Good. Now come over here. This one is up too high. I need more soil on it. Yep. Put more soil. Don't push it down. Just push more soil on it. More soil, more soil. Don't push it down, I said. Just push more soil around it. Put more soil around it. Yep. More soil on the other side as well.
A 7-year-old doing this?
Yes, you're doing good. Okay, come on this side. Stand that up. This one's falling down.